available for memory access. Okay. Now let's see few kind of memories. You already know that. I'll just discuss quickly. So one is ROM. What is ROM?
So ROM read only memory.
Read only memory. So what it is used for? Where you use ROM?
Generally for firmware मतलब startup and boot instructions to store those
Yes, it is
instructions.
used for boot. Yeah, for boot instructions. Right. So this is typical diagram of a ROM. This connection shows 0, and this disconnection. Suppose if if you remove this, so this disconnection shows 1. Right. Another thing of similar category is PROM. Can you tell me what is PROM? Hmm?
Sir, it's also a type of ROM, programmable ROM, where data is
It is
permanently stored.
programmable ROM. So in normal ROM, either this will be there or this will not be there from company itself. In PROM, there will be a fuse associated with it, and one can program. So once this fuse can be blown off, and few places you can write 1, and few places you can write 0. Right. Another is EPROM. So what is EPROM?
Sir, erasable program ROM.
Yeah. So how it is different from PROM?
Sir, in this data can be erased using ultraviolet rays to rewrite it.
Yes. Right. So exposing to ultraviolet rays, I don't know if you have seen that is or not, because this is now kind of obsolete. So there is a kind of lid on the top of memory where you can expose it to ultraviolet light. And then there is something called EEPROM. What is this?
Sir, electrically erasable programmable ROMs.
So what is this?
So they can be erased electrically. मतलब इनको बार-बार erase किया जा सकता है. That is the
बार
usage
बार
of
इरेज
it.
तो आप EPROM को भी कर सकते हो, बट EPROM को इरेज करने के लिए आपको अल्ट्रावायलेट लाइट लानी पड़ती है,
Okay.
whereas EEPROM को आप इलेक्ट्रिकल सिग्नल से इरेज कर सकते हो. And then another thing is called flash. What is flash? फ्लैश तो आप सबसे ज्यादा यूज करते हैं. व्हाट इज फ्लैश?
It's a type of memory that can be electrically erased and reprogrammed, like the NOR or NAND flashes.
It is a type of EEPROM only. So, you can electrically erase and electrically write, program or write in this memory. Uh, Technology wise, it is little different. It consumes less energy, and generally burst transfers are done. Uh, so, it's more like a EEPROM with greater density and low power consumption. Right. Now we have reached a point where we can discuss something related to cache. So first of all, we will see memory hierarchy. Can somebody tell me what does it mean by memory hierarchy? Hmm? Anybody have any idea?
Sir, it's like we can represent computer memory as hierarchy in a hierarchy.
What does it mean?
Sir, it's rather which memory module we access first to like reduce access time.
Something more?
Sir, that's all I know.
Yeah, you are. I mean, almost there. So, I mean, depending on the cost and speed and size, we actually keep some kind of see some kind of hierarchy in the memory. So, in the bottom of this hierarchy, what will come? Tell me.
Secondary storage.
Yes. So, generally magnetic type, magnetic disk. After this,
Sir, the primary memory, that is the main memory.
no. SSD. And then SSD, all of you know, right?
Yes, sir.
You know, how many of you know SSD? I mean, this cannot be asked over a online class. So, is there anybody who know SSD?
Yes, sir.
So, SSD. What is that?
Sir, there are new kind of storage devices which use flash memory chips, like contiguous flash memory chips to store data.
Yes. So, this is basically solid state device memory. So, this is actually nothing but a kind of bigger flash memory, faster, bigger, but it used as secondary memory only. Okay. Then it comes to main memory, and then it comes to L2, or you can call it secondary cache.